Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab One and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So this operation is crucial if you wish to download the app from other source than the Play Store, so for example from your browser or anything like that. We have to first of all allow it to do that. So let's begin with opening the settings. And here in this left section we have to scroll down and find the option the apps. Here we've got three options highlighted and we have to enter special app access and here localize the option which is called install unknown apps. So right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. I'm not sure why they are doubled. So we've got two Chromes, two drives, but let's leave it. Basically here we've got the list of it and we can either allow or deny the installation of unknown apps. So as I said, let's pretend I wish to download the app from Chrome. I have to find it in the list and then tap on it. For example, this one. Here, let's localize allow from the source, tap on this switcher, and now you can see that the Chrome is allowed to install some content. I'm not really sure why. Here we've got the second Chrome, but as you can see, we cannot even enter it, so I think we should ignore it. And from now on, since the Chrome is allowed to install something, you will be able to do that. And obviously it works the same with all other apps. Moreover, you can always remove previously granted permissions, obviously, just by tapping on the app and tapping on the switcher. I also wanted to draw your attention to the fact that you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.